Hello, polar bear fans. Polar bear here. Again, all dressed up for the Indianapolis 500 that's coming up Sunday, May 29th. Can't wait to see Elio Castroneves win his 5th Indy 500 and climb the fence. My favorite part of the race. Hi, Cancer Kids, you're so brave. Keep up the good fight today. So, today, Evil Arch Conservative is going to pick this really big 1-inch do-it-best lock with an aluminum body. I don't think Evil Arch Conservative can do it, but we'll see. No, polar bear. I think we'll get this lock without too much trouble. Oh, let's show you the key bitting first. As you can see, it's fairly typical for these small luggage type locks. Although it's not TSA approved, but I don't think that's a big deal. So, okay. You've seen the bidding. Let's get on to the picking. And officially this is a 20 millimeter lock, so just a little under an inch, 3/4 of an inch basically. Okay. Now the initials EAC are on there because we did a video showing the dangers of removing lotto locks, and a full lockout tagout wasn't going to fit on our prop. I got hurt in that. I got bruises all over my face. I got makeup on so you can't tell, but they hurt. So, yeah, it's been picked. Bye, folks. Yum, 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 yum. Bye again.